This might just be the sexiest phone of 2025, and it's not just looks. With a 200-megapixel camera, a titanium frame, and a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge is here, and it's a beast. But is it worth your $999? Let's find out. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge dropped on May 29, 2025, and it's already making waves. This is not your average flagship. It's thinner, lighter, smarter, and loaded with future-ready tech. Right out of the box, it's premium. We're talking a titanium frame, Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 on the front, and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back, all packed into a slim 5.8mm body, weighing just 163 grams. And yes, IP68 water and dust resistance is here too. It's rugged, but elegant. This 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED 2X display is, with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and a stunning 1440 by 3120 resolution, everything just looks buttery smooth. Brightness, a wild 1416 nits, making it perfect for outdoor use. Under the hood is the beastly Snapdragon 8 Elite, built on a 3nm process. Paired with up to 12 GB of RAM, this thing flies. On benchmarks, Antutu, 2.1 million plus. Geekbench 6, 9,391. 3D Mark, 6,473. Wildlife Extreme. Gaming, multitasking, rendering, you name it, it handles it. The main camera setup, absolutely insane. 200-megapixel wide sensor with OIS and multi-directional PDAF, 12-megapixel ultra-wide. It shoots 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K up to 120 frames per second, and crisp slow-mo at 240 frames per second in 1080p. The front camera is a 12-megapixel with dual-pixel autofocus, shooting up to 4K 60, perfect for vloggers and video calls. You get a 3,900 mAh battery, not huge, but thanks to software optimization and the efficient 3nm chip, it gives an active use score of 12 hours. Charging, 25 watts wired, 55% in 30 minutes. 15 watts wireless. QI2 ready? Of course, it's fully stacked. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, Samsung DeX under-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, ultra-wideband, UWB, support dual eSIM plus physical SIM options. At $999, the Galaxy S25 Edge is a serious contender. It's not just about numbers, it's a complete experience. Sleek, powerful, and future-proof. If you want cutting edge in your pocket, this is it. Would you buy the Galaxy S25 Edge or wait for the Ultra model? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives.